all scholars, listeners, students, learners, professionals, those who are listening me around the world and watching me carefully. They are paying their valuable and precious time in listening the holy words of God, and they will get and receive a lot of energy in their mind and heart by listening, by watching. They will feel energetic, self-confident, and physically, mentally, socially, spiritually they will be fine. So today we are going to discuss very important topic of the creation of the earth. How the earth has come in the form of existence. What is the theory behind it, and what is the truth of the creation of the earth? It is generally told that man's ancestors were monkeys. As per the theory of science, man has developed from monkey. Anyhow, I will not say much about it. But what happens if the sons of those scientists who believe in this theory are taken from them and given to the agonized, issueless couples? And those scientists should be given old monkeys in return so that they may entitle all their properties to their names, because one day these monkeys will definitely become human beings when their tails disappear. What has happened today? Why are monkeys not turning into men now? The reason being given is that atmosphere has changed. Do they know about the atmosphere of that ancient time? Again, there is a general question to science. Who came first, hen or egg? Who came first, hen or the egg? Their answer will be egg. But how did an egg come into being without a hen? If hen came first is the reply, then how did hen come into existence without an egg? Again the scientists plead that the meteorites from the sky struck the earth with high speed. Then there were heavy rains and water filled the pits created by the meteorites. Later on, the water evaporated slowly and the creatures of water originated. They laid eggs, and as a result of development or evolutionary changes, different types of creatures came out of them. So brothers, if it is so, then take away the eggs of tortoise to your home to see, perhaps the human child may come out of that. Why are the eggs not attaining different shapes automatically nowadays, when it happened so in the past? There is no answer to this question. With the scientist that how it all happened. Oh brothers, The reality is that different statues were not created by God from Saturn, and God made the race emerging from him, means God strike these statues which came to life then and there. So there had been no evolution of man. From monkey or anything else. Rightly, the spiritual saints have divulged. Almighty first appeared as mass radiant. Every living being is his descendant. We all are his flesh and blood. Call no one as bad or good. It is written basically in all the religions. It is the starting of the teaching of all the religions. The word God or Lord is present in the sacred speech of Guru, of sacred speech of our teachers, and the word remains there as it is because they wanted the welfare of all and not of an individual, of a